Well, weeks after Attorney General Ken Paxton's acquittal in the Senate, the House managers released piles of evidence that was not admissible during the 10-day impeachment trial.
Our Capitol correspondent Monica Madden explains why they're releasing it now and reaction from Paxton's defense team, who are calling it sour grapes.
Hundreds of pages of documents released after the verdict.
They're relevant. This entire process is about transparency.
I'm not sure why they continue to try to litigate the case in the press.
Attorneys on both sides note this information might not have changed the outcome, but it does provide more details, including information about Paxton's home renovations, which House managers allege was a bribe by Nate Paul in exchange for help with his legal issues. The emails reveal the contractor directly communicating updates with Paul.
So it ties Nate Paul to Ken Paxton. It ties Nate Paul to renovations of the home itself.
And invoices House Prosecutor Aaron Epley describes as incomplete from the construction company.
And the absence of evidence is evidence. There was no intention or documentation that suggested Ken Paxton ever had the desire to pay a bill, and there was no bill.
The Attorney General's team has noted Paxton ultimately directed the head of his blind trust to pay for the renovations, proving no bribe.
All the documents that they have now are documents that I guess they could have put into evidence had they had any relevance. So I'm not sure what they're doing.
But Epley says the communication with Paul speaks louder than the finished home remodel.
Invoice did not exist until 7 p.m. on the 1st, after the whistle blow, after notice that people were looking into it.
If that's so evident, why don't you put that in evidence?
Paxton's personal attorney has said the FBI is reportedly investigating his client, but hasn't filed any charges. The Attorney General denies any wrongdoing. Monica Madden, KXAN News.
And the release of the information had a rocky start, with the first batch of documents dropping yesterday without redactions of private information like Paxton's address. Those have since been taken down from the House's website and replaced with the redacted versions.